below, you heathens. If you ever have an Evap code on your Ford Ranger, this might be it. The tap for the house sending unit literally broke off. So with the truck bed off, which mine already is, I'm going to show you the steps to go through to remove the housing and install the new housing so we can get rid of this pesky Evap system check. These gas lines have a little clip, you gotta pop them out. It's very easy. Once you pop out, you will have a little bit of excess gas coming out of the lines. It'll help if you relieve some pressure from the gas line before you do so. With that, be careful. You will have some gasoline come out. This one goes to this clip. You just gotta disconnect it. Alright guys, to remove the ring, use this. And hit with this. That'll do the trick. And now we just pull it out. Again, make sure you have a bucket. Pull this out, it's gonna have some gasoline dripping, so make sure you have somewhere to put it. And we want to make sure we have the same piece and that nothing's missing. Good to go. And that's the whole reason I need to replace that whole unit. This little tip fell off, just the old one of that. Alright guys, everything's plugged back in. Just put the battery back on. Now I'm going to prime the gas pump a few times. Just turn off the car on and off a few times. Get some gas in there. Alright guys, moment of truth.